All right, so we want to parameterize a surface. Here we've got an equation given. Now there's something really nice about that equation. What's wonderful about that equation is that one of the variables has been solved for in terms of the others. So this is a graph. Right? So I can view this specifically as the graph of, I could call it f of x comma y equals e vxy minus y cubed. Is that cool? Mm-hmm. All right. So next observation. I mean, the reason that it's really useful that this is a graph is that we have a tool for how to create parameterizations out of graphs. Right? So I'm going to use the graph parameterization that's discussed in the book there, and the graph parameterization proceeds by position as a function of two parameters, and you let those two because this is an equation of two variables, right? And so you let these new parameters u and v equal to the input variables, and then now what is z going to be? Well, unavoidably z has to be f of xy, but x and y are just u and v, and so z is f of uv. It just has to work out that way. So choice then is made for us that z is e to the power of uv minus v cubed, and this is our position as a function of u and v. Yeah.
Can you explain again what the point of setting x equals to u and y equals to v?
Yeah, it's the fact that that it works out when you do that. Right? This is a trick, right? And it's a trick that once you've seen how it works out, then you just have to remember that trick. But it's a choice. Now, and I cannot emphasize enough, parameterizations are not unique. I mean, there's lots and lots of parameterizations of this surface. And if we wanted to get really weird about it, we could make up some other parameterizations. Wouldn't be the point, right? But our goal is to find a parameterization. And if that's your goal, to find a parameterization, almost always that's the case, then again, given that you have a graph here, making this choice just ends up being super convenient. This choice here is super convenient because it makes it super convenient to figure out what this ought to be.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So it's philosophically an interesting answer, which is that this is a choice. There's no reason why. It's because you don't have to. There's no reason why you have to because you don't have to. We do it because we want to, because it makes our life easy.
And then so after that, you're just done.
Yeah, this is the parameterization. They said They said parameterization done. Yeah, that's right. Okay.